It's a Haas quick tip. Just like the odometer on our car, we can look at our machine mileage. Press Diagnostics, System, Machine Data. We can see our power on time, we can see the number of tool changes. 100 bonus points for the person that has a machine with the most number of tool changes. Post your score in the comments. Looking for more information on your machine? Take a USB, pop it in, and take a Shift F3 backup. It will save all the information from your machine onto that USB, and there will be a file in there called Diagnostics, a text file. You can open that up and see all kinds of information, like our spindle on time, and a whole bunch of other information that we probably won't understand. If your machine ever has an issue, stop and take a Shift F3 backup right then. That diagnostic report might hold the clues that your Haas service tech needs to get you up and running quickly.